Let's go, everyone. We've got to hurry. It's going to be amazing.
Huh? What's going to be amazing, Dada?
The eclipse, Mya. We're all going to RTÉjr to see it.
An eclipse? How exciting!
And here come the Make family.
Everyone ready, Dada Go?
Yep, just about to hop in the car.
Mama, what's an eclipse?
It's one of the greatest things you'll ever see, Mya. An eclipse happens when the moon passes between the sun and the earth. The moon blocks out all the sunlight and casts a big shadow that we can see happen down here.
Eclipses don't happen very often, Mya, and that makes them even more exciting.
And they only last for a few minutes each time.
Wow, I really want to see one.
But we don't have anything to see it with.
What do you mean?
Well, you can't just look straight at an eclipse, Mya. Doing that can hurt your eyes very badly.
You need special glasses to be able to watch an eclipse. Oh, but don't worry, we've got loads.
They've got special lenses that make it safe for us to look straight at the eclipse.
Quick, everyone, it's almost time.
See you at RTÉjr.
Oh dear, Dada Make. I think you've left something behind.
Mya go every day. Mya go laugh and play. Mya go, what do we say? Mya go digging.